out, guys. Ashley's new pit vehicle. Just picked it up for what I think is a steal. We've been looking hard and it doesn't seem like you can find a good golf cart for under 2,000 bucks. This thing runs, drives, new battery, it's gas powered. Picked it up for 500 bucks. So we're gonna head home, get it unloaded, start some dinner, and take Colson for a spin on it because he doesn't know we picked it up yet. And he's gonna love it. But all right, guys, we'll see you at home. Guys, it's not pretty. Colson's happy though.
You think I'm okay right here, like I won't get hit?
Yeah, you're good. We're gonna take it for a drive to get Colson some ice cream.
Yeah.
Let's go. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, off we go. Here it is. So this thing runs like crap, so we're gonna take it apart, clean up the carb, got a new fuel filter for it, and we're gonna see if that makes a difference. Maybe adjust the governor and the throttle cable a little bit because this thing is also slow. But I think that'll help out a lot. Here's what we're working with. Here's the carb. So you can see they didn't even have the airbox hooked up. I hear these things run like crap if the airbox isn't hooked up. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing cleaned up. We got, doesn't even look like this motor mount up here is doing much either. So we'll address that at some point, but right now we're just gonna stick with the carb. I guess if you flip this around, it's supposed to put it in maintenance mode, and now we should be able to start it in neutral. I'm gonna go grab the key and we'll test it out. All right, we got our carb off. So now we're just gonna clean it up real quick, get all the crud off the outside. We're just gonna spray it down with a little carb cleaner. An old toothbrush works great for this. I don't have one with me right now, so this will have to do. Just want to get it as clean as you can. This thing's been sitting for I don't know how many years. It's a 91 club car. They weren't even running a fuel filter, so I'm sure we're gonna find a bunch of crap inside the carb here. And so your main jet is just gonna be right down there. Just gonna unscrew that. So we just shot some carb cleaner down the little orifice there and made sure it was spraying out of all those sides. So now pop that back down in there. And snug that up. We'll go inside, buddy. So you don't want to tighten this too much. Snugged up. Go too tight, you'll strip it out and you'll never get it off again. Clean that up a little bit. Install our float back on there. And clean our bowl. Yeah, we'll open it. And then we can go ahead and put that back slap back on the golf cart, put an inline fuel filter on there, and see what it looks like. Alright, we got it all back together. Runs way smoother. Might still need a little tuning to get rid of that slight backfire, but way better. So now we're going to slap a hose on here, go for a test drive. You ready to drive? And here we go, me and Colson off to test it. Oh man, it's like a night and day difference. This thing used to sputter. What do you think, buddy? Simple little carb cleaning brings it back to life. Not too bad. Much got it dialed in. It's running pretty good now. You like it? Should get her around the pits just fine. Maybe ugly now, but she's already got plans to do a lot of work to it, and slowly but surely we're gonna get it done. I think she's already getting ready to order some things to make a lift kit, wheels and tires, seat covers, and we've got plans to paint it. So stay tuned because we're gonna be making a lot of changes. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.